Hello, welcome back. We're working on my 1976 Surfside trailer, and let's take a look at the project today.
Hello, how is everybody doing? My name is Zach, and today we're going to lift my 1976 Surfside trailer. Why? Well, I want to fit a gray water tank under here. So right now, we've got only about 11 inches of clearance there, 11 inches. So it's not enough clearance for the gray water tank. These are my original tires. They are 175/80 13s, and I'm going to be replacing them with these ones. So these ones are 205/75 15s. There's some benefits to a larger tire, less bearing wear, less revolutions, you know, but I also just need the ground clearance. And then we're going to add some spacers underneath the axle also. So let's see how this goes.
So here's just to give you a little bit of a size comparison difference. So the tire on the right, the new one, that's about 27 inches tall. The one on the left is about 24 inches. So that's going to give me definitely some more ground clearance. I'll show you with it on the vehicle. Okay, that's the tire on the trailer. You can see decent clearance there all the way around until you get right about there. So it's a little bit tight there, but as the axle flexes, it should move back. Should go backwards a little bit, but we're going to put a spacer in here also. So I'm not sure how much of this you'll be able to see. You can see right there where the axle bolts on to the frame. Right in between here, I'm going to put a spacer. So I'm going to use this C-channel, and I'm going to stick that in there. It looks like it just unbolts. The axle just unbolts. You can see in there. And then I'll just unbolt those, drop that down, stick that C-channel in there. A little picture of my helper. Maggie? What are you doing, Maggie? Oh, my girl. I don't know if this girl yet. He's not helping much, though. Do you know that? You're not helping. You need to wait. Okay, so we changed a little bit up here. This is what I'm going to install instead. This is a 2 by 3 inch solid cold rolled block of steel. I was just worried with the channel that it might roll. So this should fix that. So that's what I'm going to put in there. Okay, here's our hardware. We've got 1/2 inch bolts. They're grade 8, 4 inches long. Our nuts, lock washers. We're going to put some big fat washers that we've got that we took off the old ones back on, and then I'm going to Loctite them too, just so that they're never going to come loose. Okay, let's see how this goes together. Okay, here's the block in there now. See, we got 3 inches. It's all bolted in nice and tight. Let's go take a look at the other side. Got the wheel on. Here you can see the difference in clearance. The wheel, it's got a lot of room now. Remember we had 11 inches before? Now we've got about 15 inches. So 15 inches of clearance. That's great. Okay, that's it. I think I like it. Looks good. The level's good. I got room for my tank now. And I think we just finished in time because I think it's going to rain. So thanks for watching, and please tune in next time as we do the next project. Thanks again.